Yep, so we're heading to the trout farm.
Yep, which is well, it's towards Harriettville,
Yep.
and we've just passed a little town, or a little settlement town called Smoko, and I'm assuming that it's to do with, back in the day, all this area used to be a tobacco growing area, and it's not anymore, but I'm guessing maybe that little township thing there was just called Smoko because of that. We could look into it and find out for sure, but that's my surmising as we're driving.
They also had a lot of drying sheds around the area too, but since the tobacco industry has kind of died, all that stuff's gone, and they're sort of planting other crops here now.
Yeah. So if we see one of the sheds, we'll take a photo, hopefully, and show you what they look like.
But what a cracker of a day. This is perfect because we're heading down towards the trout farm, and a couple of our grandchildren want to catch a fish, so I think we're pretty much guaranteed of something down there. So hopefully we can show you what they catch, if they catch anything. Yeah,
or at least show them attempting to catch something.
We're turning left here.
Well, looks like we're turning left, and we'll be at the trout farm shortly. Okay, we've just turned into the trout farm, and hopefully this is where we might catch a trout.
Yep. The entrance. So it's salmon and trout. I guess you pick which one you want, because I'm guessing they're in separate ponds or something.
Here we are at the trout farm. There's people trouting. Some decent sized fish in there.
Are we eating the fish?
Well, today we're at the trout farm, and I've got one of my grandsons here with me, Rex. He's going to show us how to do some fishing, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
So what have we got over here, Rex? We've got
one of the ponds, I'm pretty sure. I think I haven't even been up here yet, but
well, we'll have a look. We'll climb up this mountain.
Mountain?
Well, it's not really a mountain, it's just a big hill.
Yeah, ponds. So this is with like the medium-sized fish. Yeah, so basically that's like the medium-sized fish, like around 1 kilo, so pretty big, maybe the size of a ruler. This one, I'm not really sure what size fish is in here. It's just like a whole heap of ponds and stuff. So
yeah, this one's also another medium.
Medium, yep.
We'll see if we can actually spot some fish.
So it's kind of, I mean, right here you can literally see it's kind of clear water for a pond.
It's pretty cool. There's another pond over there.
Yep. And we're just fishing down there.
It's really a nice place to come, especially to bring the kids, to teach them how to do a bit of fishing. At least you're guaranteed of catching something.
Yeah.
And they've got quite a few ponds everywhere.
There's like a mini one there.
Yeah, another little mini pond. Then over here, oh, this is the large Atlantic salmon.
Now this one, they get up to like 3 kilograms or something.
3 kilos?
Yeah, 3 kilos, yeah.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, they get like huge. I've never fished before, but I just know.
We're going to have a crack, and hopefully this young lad is going to catch something decent for us.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go back to the others.
Right.
Just leave that on the ground.
So we've got the whole group here.
Who's the first fisher?
you can be. I want to
We're
rock
going to go out that way.
I was sitting there like this and then in the corner with my mum. We are.
Are you going to
Go behind.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to get the glory of it. Leighton, come here and fish. Simon, don't give yourself so much credit. Who's fishing? I think you're going to catch it. I'll do it. Okay, so you ready, guys? Just Leighton, Hunter, just watch your face. You don't have to whip it, okay? You just pick it up high and drag it down across, okay? Up a bit higher, see how we're nice around here? There you go.
I hate hooks. No, you said to throw it into the centre.
God, Mum, if we whipped it around there with the walk it out,
So many people giving advice.
straight down. Yep.
Give it a little swing into the centre.
That wasn't far enough.
Yeah, you gotta let it. Okay.
And then they said let it.
So maybe if you stand back, then at least we can swing from this direction.
I don't think.
Ready? So we lift it up. Again.
Wait, so is this what I do?
Alright.
Into that.
Yeah, big swing. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hold it there. Just hold.
Well, there's Rex having a go at fishing.
Oh wow.
Is that one?
Pull it up. Is it pulling? No.
No.
Check your hook, you might have taken the bait off.
So
You might
lift
have
up
taken
high.
the bait.
Go high to the sky. No, just lift it up to the sky. That's it. And then
Yep,
you can...
bait's gone.
It took the bait.
Alright, who's the bait up? Someone's gotta put
Next
the bait
one.
up.
Who wants
Go.
to put this one on?
Pull it, pull, 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 pull.
Oh, okay. Let's do it sideways.
Come on, bring it in, Rex. Bring it in.
You gotta get it out, Rex.
I think it's already dead. Good.
Wow.
I
Okay.
think it's already dead.
God, it is heavy.
Jesus! It's so heavy! Wow! That's huge! Is it already dead?
No, you
No, you got to do it on the side.
Can someone hold it?
Hurry up.
On the fish.
Oh, is it?
You need some water.
There's water in it.
Can I kill it?
You've already done it.
Can I do it?
No, don't keep waiting.
Wow, our first fish.
Big one.
Yeah.
Woo!
Right.
Okay, this is the little salmon we caught. Give him a little kiss. And we'll let him go. So it's now Robin's turn to have a fish. We've got Andrew, one of our sons, and his son there.
We've got caviar in it, Andrew. Caviar.
Hello.
Here comes Robin. She's going to catch something.
There you got one. You can see it. Near there. Yeah. The dark one there. Yeah.
And
Take it,
the
fishy.
intent look on Robin's face at the moment.
Where is it? Oh, I see one.
Get it over here, see.
Check if it's.
I've still got it. Yeah, I've still got it.
Like, try to get it down there.
Where'd it go? Oh,
Yeah, over there again. There's a couple of fish going for it.
maybe they're too full.
There's a couple of fish looking at it at the moment.
Try to.
I guess you come over here, Mum.
Yeah.
And cast from over here.
Oh, they're from Sini.
His head's over here.
Yeah. There's two. I've already put three. Oh yeah. Easy.
So here comes Robin on a third attempt.
There we go.
Better fisher
You're
than
back,
me.
you're back in the place. Oh,
Where are you?
Oh,
There's so many fish there.
oh no, you gotta go. Got one. Yep, go.
Pull,
Pull
pull.
up. Pull. Oh, it just let it out.
Oh, didn't need it.
He was on it, but
Oh, okay. See, they're smaller, aren't they?
yeah.
So they're not.
Oh, yeah, that's good one.
Okay, well there's a black one down there.
There's heaps there, is there?
There's a whole lot of fish here, but they're just not on the bite at the moment.
No, Rex's, I mean, that was just so sudden, wasn't it? Rex's
It was.
It was, yeah, it just happened so quickly. I think if it was a bit slower, it might have been a little more acceptable. Whoop.
It was that surprise, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. And then we
I
all
think
were like,
we've actually traumatised our grandchildren with fishing, unfortunately.
hey, do you want to have a go, Andrew? Or? Yeah, a bit more.
Not so quick.
That's what I was saying. It was a bit quick, wasn't it? The other one, it was a bit traumatic and fast. This one would have made it as though you're not. Hang on, there's a couple there, isn't there?
Yep.
It's not pulling.
Look at the intent look on Robin's face. So now, after a dozen attempts, Andrew's going to have a go and show us how it's done.
Yeah, sure.
I'm only going to do one more.
One more whack, Hunter. We'll do it.
You can see the fish in there, there's quite a few. I don't know whether the GoPro is actually showing it, but there certainly is a few fish there. It looks like they're just not hungry. Andrew's trying a new tactic.
Yep.
Maybe called fall in.
They're hungry.
Well, it looks like Andrew's got it. Oh,
Hold it, Dad. You didn't hold it.
oh, that's a pretty big one.
Come on. Oh, you're taking its teeth.
No, he's still moving. Was that nerves? I think he's still going.
I don't think he needs a tooth. Should I try to?
I'm just trying to take the hook out.
Jump out of people. It's someone else's video. Come here. Now.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Yeah.
That's him.
Alright, Hunter,
Put him
hold
in the
it up and
bucket.
take a photo. Or Andrew, you hold it
It's
up.
a little one. You'll be able to hold it. It's not that heavy.
Try and like act like you're happy with it.
You're gonna be up.
Okay. Alright, Hunter, you hold it. You give us a hook. Oh. Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, go on. It's only little. It's a little guy. He's pretty.
He's still moving his mouth.
think
He's
Muddy in the dark.
It's just a bit slippery, so you hold it. That's all.
So, what have we got?
Damn it. Wait, I'll take a photo now.
Well done,
Wait,
Hunter.
Come on.
Well
I
done.
know you were going to do it. What's that bucket?
Just under the tree there. It's actually
Okay.
So that's it.
Yeah.
excellent.
Fill it.
Wow.
So what do we do with the trout when we cook it?
Just cook it in.
Do you scale it?
Oh,
No, you don't. You really do that. Yeah.
You don't?
yeah. Do we need to do it?
As soon as you cook it, the skin will just come
Just
off.
come
Oh,
off.
okay.
Yeah.
Peel it off. Right.
But
And
This is
that's
barbecue cooking, yeah? Just on a hot
or
plate.
just put in foil or
yeah, just wrap up in foil instead.
or something, or just
Cool.
That
If
is
you
so
want, I can
cool.
de-skin the fish if you want.
So guys, here's all of our family. We got Simon
Yeah.
and the rest of the crew.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
And
turn
the
around to you.
little fish behind.